On screen, title text appears, How to add a poll to an Instagram post with a clean scribble underline. Voiceover, in the next 60 seconds, you'll learn exactly where to tap to add a poll on Instagram. On screen, hand-drawn phone outline appears. The Instagram home screen slides in. Voiceover, first, open the Instagram app and make sure you're on the Home tab. On screen, plus icon at the bottom center is highlighted with a scribble circle. Voiceover, tap the plus button at the bottom to create a new post or story. On screen, a small menu pops up, Post, Story, Reel. The story option is underlined. Voiceover, polls work best in stories, so choose story from the options. On screen, image or video is added to the story background. Voiceover, pick a photo or video from your gallery, or capture something new for your story background. On screen, the story editor is visible with the chosen background ready. A subtle label appears, Story Editor. Voiceover, once your background is ready, you're in the story editor. This is where we'll add the poll. On screen, the sticker icon at the top is circled with scribble. Text label, tap stickers. Voiceover, at the top, tap the sticker icon to open the stickers menu. On screen, the stickers panel slides up, showing various stickers. The poll sticker is highlighted. Voiceover, from the stickers panel, tap the poll sticker. On screen, a poll box appears in the center of the story. Default answers show yes and no. Voiceover, a poll box appears. Type your question at the top, then edit the answer options. On screen, user taps each answer field and changes text, e.g., option 1/option 2. Voiceover, tap each answer to change the text. Keep it short, clear, and easy to tap. On screen, the poll is dragged to the upper center of the story. A green check icon appears. Voiceover, drag to move your poll where you like, then tap your story to publish. On screen, quick recap with 3 check marks, open story, add poll sticker, customize and share. Voiceover, that's it, open a story, add the poll sticker, customize your options, and share. Now you're ready to poll your audience on Instagram.